Let's go over the words cold and hot. So, in English, you might say cold about too many things, like I feel cold, the weather is cold, the food is cold, right? The food is hot, I feel hot, the weather is hot. Now, if you notice in English, we use the same word for in different sentences, right? We use both words in different sentences. We use cold and hot. In Arabic, no, you're not gonna use the same word for all of them. Um, it's a different word for each. So I'm gonna go over these words and explain them to you. Okay. Before I go over this, I teach Levantine Arabic one-on-one. My name is Ala. My email address is alaa.arabictutor@gmail.com. Ala, my first name, dot arabictutor, one word, @gmail.com. And I also have shop on Etsy. It has a lot of things that they have Arabic words or Arabic art. And now, because Palestine is things are going really bad there, I have created so many designs for Palestine. I am a graphic designer, so I think I'm doing really, really nice products. So I hope you like them. Go ahead and check my website, or my store, I mean. And if this is before the Black Friday, there's a discount with most of the Christmas sweaters. You use the code Save Now, capital letters, one word, and it's only for my listeners, for people who follow me, so they would know about this code. Everyone else, they don't know about this code. So it's basically special for you. And most of the things I have are free shipping. So make sure you check my shop, and yes, and send me emails if you want anything, you requests, questions, anything at all. Okay, so let's go back to the words cold and hot. So when we say cold, the weather outside is cold, we say bared, bared. I already mentioned this in the weather episode. So bared means cold. Now, I feel cold. I would use the word bardane. Bardane. So, if you are learning Arabic, maybe you already know this. We always have the root, which is the three letters, and from these three letters, we make a lot of different forms. So, barid is basically the root, or barad. It's basically a verb. The root is usually past tense, for he, the form. I don't know if you understand this one, or if you have not learned the language yet, maybe this might sound weird to you or complicated, so don't worry about it. Anyway, you just need to know that all words, most words, they have the root three letters, and from these three letters we make many different forms. They have different meanings. Most of the time they are related. Well, they are not most of the time, they are related. It's just d- like slightly different. Like I feel cold, the weather's cold, the food is cold. So for the word cold, again, the weather's cold, bared. I feel cold, bardane, because I'm a female. If a male is cold, say bardan. So bardan for a male, bardane for a female. The food is cold, or something you touch, a surface you touch, something you touch is called bared, bared. So bared. So now again we have three different forms. We have bared, bardan, bared. Bared, the weather's cold. Bardan, feeling cold. Bared, something you touch is cold. Now the weather hot. The weather is hot. Shob, shob. I feel hot. Shawbane, because I'm a woman. Now, if I was a male, shawban. If you notice, when I said bardane and shawban, I added to the end because for a female. So shawban for a male, shawbane for a female. Now the food is hot, or a surface you touch is hot. So this word has nothing to do with the weather and feeling hot. It's a completely different word. It's not the same root or anything. It is سخن. سخن. So when something you touch, you say سخن. The food is سخن. الأكل سخن. The weather's hot. شوب. I feel hot. شوبان. Now, just one more thing. This is also, if you learn the basics and the grammar, it will be easy to remember. For feeling cold and feeling hot, if you notice, we added an to the end of the word. So, شوبان, بردان. So these are most of the time when they end with the an, they basically mean they are basically feelings. And for a female, we also added or to the end. So برد, بارد, بردان, شوب, شوبان, and سخن. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. Feel free to send me any emails and requests. Thank you.